All right, now crew, I'm at the post office again. I got a lot of nail goodies to show you guys. I even have a bunch of coupon codes. So if you want to see what I got and you want to save some money, keep watching. All right now crew, so I just left the gym, me and my friend, and I decided to just stop at the post office just to see if I had anything in my mailbox. So here I am. This post office is large, there's a lot of boxes, but I decided to just stop in and see what I had, and lo and behold, I got two keys and a small package. So you know, when you get the keys, you have to take it to a larger box because it just means that the package could not fit in your mailbox. So every time I get keys, I'm super excited about it because I know I'm going to get a big package. And I got two keys today, not one, but two. I swear the mailman is probably like, who is this person? And what is she getting in these packages all the time? So, okay, so that was the first mailbox, and now I'm looking for the other one. Like, they have mailboxes like all spread out in this post office, so sometimes a little bit confusing, but here I am at the other one, and look at the pink box, guys. How cute! Oh my gosh, I'm just excited by just the fact that the box is pink. All right, so I'm gonna run home right now, literally run home to get into these packages. I cannot wait. I'm ready to open them up. All right, so I have my packages and I can't find my large scissors, so I might have to use this knife and just slice them open. You know what, let me try to find, hold on. All right, so I found my little scissors. This is what I cut my nail tips with. I'm just gonna use that instead of the big knife because it just seems a little bit safer. I'm just gonna go just in order from smallest to largest, just like that, and no particular reason, but let's just do it that way. So I'm getting into this small white package. I think this one is from, okay, no. I was going to say I thought this one was from Yoyogi because they were supposed to send me some stuff, but no, this one looks like it's from Beauty. Yeah, this one is from Beauty Big Bang. Oh, okay. So, this one is from Beauty Big Bang, and it is a silicone pen. Do you see Kilo? Marvin put Kilo's paws in the video. Get out of here, Kilo. I have to lock my room, guys. I have to lock my nail room. All right, so this is a silicone pen, and I've been dying to try it because I see a lot of you nail girls out there. You can use it to spread on your chrome powder. You could use it for different nail art. So we'll definitely play with that in another video. Today, I'm just going to unbox everything for you, but we'll play with every single thing that I show you today. We'll play with it in the next upcoming few days. So this is a cute little palette. I've seen this on Baby Girl Nails. I believe she has one exactly like this. You could use this little palette for anything, really. And I just thought it was adorable. They had so many different colors on the website, guys. So many different colors. I didn't know what to choose, but look, you could like pose your nails on there. You could use it to mix up gels and powders and stuff like that. I'm definitely going to play with that palette soon because it's just so pretty. It's so pretty. It's just so pretty. All right, what else I got from Beauty Big Bang is a stamping plate. Now, I always tell you guys, I'm not good at stamping. I'm not good at stamping. I'm not good at stamping. But when I saw this stamping plate, guys, I had to have it. So on the back of the package, it just shows you instructions, how to use it. It makes it look and seem simple. It looks simple. So I'm going to follow those instructions, and I better get a good picture. I just better get a good picture. Look at this plate, y'all. Look at this plate. Let me take this blue protective film off. Okay, so this is what it looks. Come on, do you see these butterflies, y'all? I'm just gonna let this plate look at you guys through the camera lens. Like, look at the plate, let the plate look at you, become one with this plate. Do y'all see that? Every single image on here is gorgeous. So this is plate number XL068. If you guys have this plate, let me know below. Send me pictures on Instagram of the art you created. Let me get inspired through you. I love all of those little images. You know, sometimes you get a plate and you love like 2 or 3 images, and then the rest of the images are like, blah, you're never going to use them. That plate, all of the images look like something I would use. So I'm just showing you guys the 2 different packages. You see that? They're cute on the outside. They're pretty. All right, so let's look at this one. I hope that I like every single image on here as well. So this one is also like a summer beachy vibe. How could you not appreciate those little feet? Do you see those little feet? Oh my God. Okay, so I took the little blue film, protective film off, just so you guys can get a better look. Look at these. The palm tree, I will definitely, okay, so the feet and the palm tree and the pineapple and that little summer is my favorite images. Oh, and then the little couple right there, absolutely adorable. Adorable. Oh, you see the little wine glass right there? I love that. Okay, so we're definitely going to stamp in the near future. I don't know how it's going to turn out, y'all. I don't know. I just don't know. But we'll see. We'll see. Okay, and then I just want to let you guys know, I do have a coupon code right there to the left. You could use it on Beauty Big Bang. It is NikkiP10, and you will save 10%. Make sure you use that code, because the more people that use the code, the more chances that I will get a free gift, and I'm going to give that gift to you guys. So they basically will sponsor a giveaway for me if you guys use my code. So use my code. All right, so the next one that we're going to open is this pink box. And at this point, I don't even care what's in the box. The box is pink, and it's one of my favorite colors. So I'm in love. I'm easy to please. All right, so this box is pretty large, and it's hard to fit the entire thing in the camera, but I just want to point out that they do have a Facebook and an Instagram, so go ahead and follow them on both of their social media outlets and just say hi. Say hi. Nailed by Nikki sent you.
Oh my goodness.
And I just want to open, do y'all see? Okay, can I just pause? Let's just pause. Okay. So that little flamingo is just staring at me, and it's just saying, hi, Nikki. And I'm like, hi, flamingo. It's so cute. So not only was the pink box adorable, but the little bag inside is to die for. So I want to show you guys. Here is another coupon code for you guys. Let me get you guys excited about using my code, as I'm pretty excited for you guys. But when you go on the website and create an account, you will receive a $9 credit. That is a lot. And you use that credit on their site towards your next purchase. So I'm very excited for you guys, because $9 is a really, really good deal. All right, so you also get a care card, and it's just explaining how to take care of the bottles and the product. And I will demonstrate all of this for you when I do my actual review video. So hang tight and look out for that, because it is coming. Here are instructions on how to use their dip powder. A nice simple card that you could keep like right on your nail desk. And if you forget a step, just refer right back to the card. So I will play with that for you guys, and I will go step by step and show you exactly what to do and how to do it. Now look at this flamingo. Look at this keychain. I absolutely love, oh my God. This is a beach bag. So this is not necessarily a nail bag. It's like a cooler. Do you see the material and the lining on the inside? It's like a cooler. You could put like food in here and take it to the beach. This is a beach cooler bag. So I want to show you with a picture of what the entire package looks like, because I couldn't get the full thing in the screen. But it's absolutely gorgeous. I took that picture right off their website. So if you want to go to their website and look at the different products and bags that they have, I will leave that link below, of course. And so this little card is just telling you that I'm about to show you 2 bottles, but in their bags that you get, you normally just get 1. Okay, so just keep that in mind. If for some reason you want more than 1, you could always purchase it separately, and that's what that little card says. So now let's open up the little baggie. Everything is wrapped so well. They do not want it to break, chip, or crack and chip in, and I really, really appreciate that. So this is the first one, and it is number 4. It is the Glossy Coat number 4. I'm just going to open it and give it a little whiff. Let's smell. All right. Smells like it's resin based. And again, we'll play with it. I cannot wait to play with this kit, guys. So let's open up the second one that came. And remember, guys, in your package, you'll only get one. So this one is the Bond. Let's give that a little smell as well. And this one also smells like it is resin based as well. So 2 little bottles. So stinking cute. So stinking cute. All right, what else do I get? I cannot believe how well packaged and cute this kit. I can't believe it. I'm just like in awe. I'm in awe. All right, so what else do we have? Look at the little cutout. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So cute. They just paid attention to detail and gave you a whole summer vibe to match with my flamingo keychain. And then I even got this little sticker. Do y'all see that sticker? Where should I put this sticker, guys? I don't know. Maybe I'll put it on my refrigerator. No. When I redo my nail room, I'll stick it on the wall in my nail room. Okay, that's what I'll do with it. You also have a little card here, and it goes into detail about what's in their July bag and monthly tips and contest announcements. I won't read it to you here, but in my demonstration video, I will show it to you again, and I will let you guys know more in detail about their monthly subscription bags, okay? All right, let's see what else I have in my little bag here. They wrap it so well, so well. It looks like another bottle, clearly, so let's see what it is. All right, so this one, okay, so this is step number 3, and it's the solidify. So I have number 2, number 3, and then number 4. All right, and so remember, if your monthly bag does not come with a step that you need, you could always just get that step separately, okay? So just keep that in mind. I'm gonna give this one a little whiff. And it smells like an activator. So we have the resin, and then we have the activator to dry it. And again, you better believe we're going to play with that. And now into the colors. Oh my God. I saved the best for last. I saved the best thing in the bag for last. So first of all, do y'all see those swatch sticks? I can't even deal. A moment of silence. I had to just take a deep breath before the excitement just overtakes me, because not only do, guys, do y'all see this? Baby flamingo pink to go with my little flamingo that they sent me. Are you kidding me right now? Okay, so not only do you get the cute little powder, but then they also swatched it for you. What planet am I on? Where am I? Where am I, people? Where am I? Do you see that gorgeousness? So I turned the lights down a little bit just so that we could pick up the color better. And honey, it even has a little hole so you could just string them all together. Where am I? Somebody pinch me right now, please. Thank you. All right. So next we are going into the next one. And equally as gorgeous as the first one. So the first one was like a light pink, right? Kind of like warm you up for the pink that's about to happen next, right? So they give you a light one, little flamingo, yeah, and then boom, pow, boom, pow, you wasn't ready. Yeah, I wasn't ready for, okay, all right, let me just put the pinks to the side. And now for my personal favorite, and y'all know how I feel about pink. But when I saw this one, let's take a dip, honey. I wanted to take a dip. It said, let's take a dip. And I was like, okay, where? Where are we going? Because this pool is sparkly. This is a sparkly pool. And I want to dive into this pool. Do you see this? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm about to cry. I'm about to cry because it's so gorgeous. All right, let me put it away. Let me pack it back into the bag. And then when I do my demo video, we'll pull it out again and we'll play. And I will tell you all about the subscriptions, the monthly bag. Imagine you got a bag like this every month. This is a monthly subscription bag. If you get a bag like this every month, wouldn't you just cry? Who wouldn't cry? I would cry every month just because I'd be so happy. Okay, let's put that away before, like, I don't know, I just really burst into tears. Moving on to my next package, guys. My next package is from Modelones. And everybody knows that I'm a Modelones girl. Okay, we all know that whoever works at Modelones and I are either dating or related. Like, I don't know the love that I have for them yet. I haven't really figured it out. Do I love you like a cousin, or do I love you like my boyfriend? I haven't decided yet, but I will soon, and I will let you guys know. In either case, I have a Modelones package, and I also have a Modelones code right there, Nikki10. Make sure you use my code on their website. Save yourself some coins. Look at this box. This is their new packaging box, and the lid is magnetic, so it just clips right to the box. All right, let me get rid of this little piece. That's just to keep it fresh. Now, listen, guys. I know it's just so much to take in today. I know it's just a lot to take in. Look at these dual forms. Look at this kit. It's absolutely gorgeous. This looks like a perfect birthday gift. Whose birthday is coming up? I think you need to screenshot this and send it to your whoever and let them know this is what you need for your birthday. Hello, shopping made easy at Modelones. Now, let me tell you guys something. that Modelones has going on right now. They have something called buy more, get more free. And if you buy something on their website, you get a free gift, which I think is absolutely awesome and cool. So, for example, if you spend $15 on their site, you get a free gift worth $6.99. You spend $30, you get a free gift worth $8.99. And if you spend $45, you get a free gift worth $12. I think that is super thoughtful of them. And it just makes me love them that much more, you know? All right, so back to this kit. I have to show you guys this color changing poly gel. I'm not going to open it today. I'm not demoing it today. I just want to get you hyped and excited about the video that's coming, because we most definitely will play with this kit. It looks so cute. And you guys already love the formula of Modelones. We already love the formula of Modelones, so I don't have to talk about that. It's super cool and creamy and thick, and that's what I like. All right, so let's open up my last little envelope here. And it is some bling. Let's look. Oh, I just have to do a moment of silence. I just have to be quiet. Let me get it out of this plastic, y'all, because y'all not ready for this bling. Nail crew's not ready for this bling. Did they think that I was Princess Diana? They must have thought I was royalty here, honey. They thought I was royalty with these diamonds, honey. These diamonds, baby. Man, these are gorgeous. When I put these on, I'm not doing dishes. I'm not doing anything. Like, don't even touch me, right? Like, no. Do you know who I am? Do you not see my bling? All right. Let me stop. All right, guys. That is it. That is all for my unboxing video. I hope you loved it. I hope you had fun. Also, I want to hear your thoughts below. Let me know if you've tried anything that I've showed you today. Most of this stuff was really new to me, but I cannot wait to play and just dive into it. So let me know what you guys think. Don't forget, use my coupon code, save yourself some money. And that is all. That's all I got for you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.